today we're at the Animal Kingdom, man. About to have some fun. Make sure you like and subscribe. Another lovely Saturday in Orlando. Boy, welcome. They have some fun?
Yeah, of course. I just want to do the recording. Yeah, I want to do the river rapids.
River rapids and food?
Food, and then donuts on the way out.
And donuts.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it's raining or if that's the tree. A little bit of hey.
Slow down, okay? Wait, in there. Can you go there? But don't cut people off, please.
Yeah, hold on.
Wait until they come through.
Wait, guys,
Walk. Say hello.
Whoa! Look at this! Wow!
You going too? Alright, y'all. There's the tree. You wanna say hi? See where we end up. We'll probably do this first though. The Wilderness Explorers headquarters. We'll take you on a ride with us and then probably do some rides today.
Yes, perfect. Alright, stand flat out like this. Flip up like a pancake. Cross it into a bird. And say, wonderful, give me those tiger paws and a nice laugh.
Close up view. At least there's no sun today, so it's not really too hot. Perfect. Might be the first time we ever rode on this in the rain, so this should be interesting. Alright, come on, get on. Jump. Look that way. We in here. It's raining like crazy.
As a reminder, face covers you need one at all times during the duration of the entire safari, and properly worn covering mouth and nose. Now, if you notice that spawning down above you, it'll help you identify the animals.
My little artist.
Might not be able to see all of them, there's a good chance to see a lot of them. First part of the reserve we're getting into is going to be Little Achille Forest. Forest is the key word there. You gotta keep a lookout for any animals anywhere. The patterns, the coats, something like that. That's gonna help them blend in well into their background. Now you start to see some activity over there. Well, first animals of
Gotta look up there, look. They're in the trees.
The second tallest animal in Africa. Female greater cootie because she doesn't have any horns. Also, to the left, neither greater cootie, there's going to be some rusty animals. Those are going to be bongos. Bongos are sometimes called ghosts of the forest. Over to the right, over by the bamboo, they're kind of staring at us there. That is going to be an okapi. Okapi are shy reclusive.
Look over
to the
here.
point. They weren't discovered by
And the
the
trees
Western
over
world
here.
until about 1901.
In the back.
Now both male and female bongos do have horns, and you can kind of see how the horns are slicked back like that. Yeah, it helps them run through the jungle without getting caught. We're coming up to a watering hole here, gathering place for animals. Where we've seen a lot of activity so far. Let's see if anything might be coming down to get a drink. Oh, it looks like I can see a black rhino all the way to the left there. It's a little difficult to try with the hook here. Oh, just gonna be a little bit closer there. Up to the left. Now black rhinos can run at about 35 miles an hour. Very thick hide. May seem indestructible, but they've been hit hard by poachers. Sadly, there's less than 5,000 black rhinos in existence. It's kind of zoos and in the wild. Not a lot.
Hi, cutie pie.
Keep on moving through the brush, see if there's any other activity around here. Well, coming up on the left here, this large black white bird is a saddle-belt stork. It's seen as about 5 feet tall with a wingspan of about 8 to 9 feet. That's as wide as this truck. We've had some really good luck so far. We are going to be leaving Little Aturi Forest. We're going to be heading right into the Safe River. I've been hearing reports of some hippos in the area. Let's go try and find some hippos.
I like how this guy drives. Let's go. You should drive. Let's floor it.
Oh, look out. I can see one in the back right. If you're not able to get
wouldn't
into
see
the
any
water
animal.
and try and find some more up ahead, hippos do that. They tend to spend most of their time in the water in order to keep themselves from getting overheated. They can hold the breath around 5-8 minutes at a time. Hippos can swim. Really just kind of prefer to walk along the bottom of the river. Bounce more than anything. They walk along the bottom, bounce up to get air, and go right back down. There we go. There's some hippos to the left.
There they go.
That group of hippos are called a bloat, so that is a blow to hippos there. Interesting reflex when they're taking a nap underneath the water like that, and it's time for them to get a breath of air. Automatically lift their head up, get that breath of air, and lower their head right back down without even waking up. Pelicans here, pigback pelicans live in groups and colonies, as you can see, about an 8-foot wingspan.
Pelicans are cool.
Hippos are largely nocturnal. They're going to come out to land at night in order to graze upon the grasses along the riverside. One hippo in one night can have about 150 pounds worth of vegetation. Once we get up to that max size, about 5,000 pounds. You know, give or take like 500 pounds. We're going to be crossing over the bridge, and those are Nile crocodiles down there. Nile crocs grow 18 to 20 feet long, jaw strength more than 2,000 pounds per square inch. Can and will take down prey like zebra and wildebeest. A lot of times you see with their jaws open, it's just going to help them regulate their body temperature. Gorgeous animals. Let's go.
Floors it. Let's go.
Transitioning from one ecosystem to another, leaving the Safe River, making our way to Savannah. Different ecosystems mean different plant life and animal life. We're going to go see what we can find. This is going to be a baobab tree. It's going to leave those 9 months out of the year. Retain water during the hot, dry months. It's a nickname upside down tree, and you can see branches look like the root system. We're going to see some more up ahead. The more important stuff's coming up right here. We're going to be coming up to one of the best views of the reserve. This is the Serengeti grasslands. The grasslands will spread for hundreds of miles across eastern Africa. Act like a super highway for the animals like zebra, wildebeest. Also home to some of the more popular ones like African elephants, lions, giraffes. Yeah, it's just a small snapshot of the Africa that we all work together in order to conserve and protect. Looks like I can see a number of animals off in the distance, so we're going to make our way towards them, trying to get a nice close view. See what else you can find along the way. Looks like they can see some zebras up ahead. Also, be on the lookout for giraffes. They kind of tend to blend in well amongst the tall trees. Give you a little bit of a better understanding about zebras and giraffes. There are multiple different subspecies of both. How you tell the difference is the pattern that they have and the build that they have. Now, not all giraffes are going to be the same height. Large earthen mounds around here, termite mounds, hard as concrete. Elephants love using those as scratching posts. Worn down over time, some of those to the right. You'll see smaller animals like springbok, Thompson's gazelle, climb on top and use them as a lookout point. Oh, coming up on the left, laying down in a very large cave, one of my absolute favorite animals, African painted dogs. African painted dogs may be cute, but they're one of Africa's most successful hunters. They work together in packs to take down prey, and one of their techniques is just to kind of keep chasing the prey until it falls down from exertion. They have a 90% success rate compared to a lion's 20% success rate. Because of that, their eating style is actually different from hyenas and lions. Old, sick, and young, keep first before the healthy to take care of them. Zebra coming up on the right left of us here, a mountain zebra. Now we can tell they've got overstretched on their hindquarters and do let their hands down from their neck and they'll pull them down. Brown and white animals off the left on that hill there, those are sable animals. They're a charge up or a predator, drop to their knees and lower their 5-foot-long horns to defend themselves. Got a few sable, kind of try and keep them dry here off the left. These are springbok off the left here. Full grown is also spot their size. Get the name for how they're able to spring up into the air about 6 to 8 feet straight up and forward, these are about 13 feet. Looks like I can see some more herd activity up ahead. Kind of make our way over there. Gotta keep a lookout for giraffes. Like I said, they really blend in well amongst the tall trees. You can see a lot of signs of activity right here as well. A lot of trees that have fallen down. Yeah, well, elephants will do that. They just knock the trees down to get to the vegetation at the top. Giraffes, of course, will eat the other sides of the trees, which will let light in. Zebra and antelopes then work together in order to mow down the grass, which will let lower nibblers like gazelles, warthogs, springbok trim up the edges. So in a truly balanced ecosystem, there's always plenty of food for everyone to eat. See the wildebeest off to the right. Ooh, I can actually start to make out some giraffes on top of the hill to the left. You see them moving amongst the brush up there. Let's go around the bend here. A large Finnish animal to the left right here by the tree is a Patterson's eland. Eland is the largest antelope in Africa. Males will be around 6 feet tall at the shoulder, weighing about 2,000 pounds. All eland can jump 6 to 8 feet straight up. We got a good view of the wildebeest, one of the animals that participate in one of the largest land animal migrations in Africa. It's amazing about wildebeest is they can go like 5 days without a drink of water. That's not how they're migrating. We obviously see the cattle coming up on the right here. These are Ankoli cattle. The horns that they have are around 5 to 6 feet long from tip to tip. Circulate blood around the horns to help regulate their body temperature.
How big the horns are.
Saw some giraffes up to the left. See if there's any more. Yeah, there's some over here to the left. Putting laying off group of giraffes called the tower. Makes sense. If you can see that pattern, you'll notice it's kind of like this dark, jagged leaf edge. Yeah, these are going to be Maasai giraffe. You can see some young ones there, not babies, but they're young ones.
That's it.
When a baby giraffe is born, you know, it's going to be around 5 to 6 feet tall. And get up to that adult around 18 to 20 feet. One of the tallest of the animals.
The wild can't.
Alright, we are heading towards elephant.
I don't want to tame him. I just want him.
Our fallen trees around here.
Can't.
There's a watering hole up ahead I'd like to check out. Let's see if there's any activity or any signs of activity.
I tried.
We've had some really good luck so far.
Maybe next year.
You just. You could
Oh, man, there's on the rocks up the left there. Oh, something a little cool. Most colorful milky males around 100 pounds always tell the dominant male he's a lot bigger, a lot more brightly colored. So going all the way in the far back.
so
And there's an
cool.
elephant coming up ahead here. I'm going to try and pull to get a clear view of it up on the right. Elephants are social creatures. Female livestock conflict. But we have livestock like farmers getting retribution. Thankfully, with the help of conservation groups and using the idea what's called living walls, like they should choose some fencing to protect the livestock. In some areas, yeah, pasture off the conflict, but that's some areas. We all have to work together to protect that. You know, we don't want to lose one of the icons of Africa.
I'm just gonna say Nala,
He's gonna say
Simba,
Nala.
and
That was actually really cool. They're usually never out like
Oh,
that.
looks like there's a warthog in the burrow off the left right there. Largest burrowing animal, also by a tree. Never feel threatened, back themselves into a burrow, have the sharp tusks jutting out to protect themselves. I wouldn't call them Pumbaa to their face because in Swahili it means foolish. But I can see some... Making our way into a newer portion of our reserve. This will be the Magadi Glen. It was donated to the reserve by local farmers to help out with conservation efforts, reintroduction,
It's so pretty. So the safari ride was fun. Now we off to lunch. Time to eat. Time to eat. We're always hungry. What are you talking about?
well, we always go quickly.
On Sunday. Today's Saturday. Sunday. Look at that. That's pretty. I think the up thing is closed too. There's no great bird adventure. You said what? You hope it's not raining? Yeah, me too. At least this isn't too bad.
Probably like
It's a little bit of rain.
so it's like sprinkling, sort of.
Yeah, as long as it's not a downpour.
Yeah.
Like a monsoon would be bad right now.
Guess someone lost their passport. Yeah, it's just like
On the ground?
yeah, because I said it said United.
Oh look, it's a wilderness explorer spot.
Come on.
We're going to get food though.